skateboarding down the street, July 19th, and all of a sudden, someone is sledding down the street during summer with a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle sled. That is crazy. Randy Dillard, I can't keep up. Oh my gosh. He's going 80. He's going 80 kilometers per hour on a sled. Oh my god. Look at the size of that hill. Huge, huge, huge. Massive. Massive. So if you have a video response of a crazier stunt during the summer with the sled, post a video response. We'll just see him coming back up with the sled. As you can imagine, this is a modified sled. There he goes. So there you have it, folks. Randy Dillard riding a sled during summer down an asphalt street.